Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Prop Firm Analyzer. I'll be reviewing the 5%ers. I've seen a lot of people using this prop firm, so let's see if they're really good for traders. Anyway, we'll start by checking their rating on Trustpilot. The 5%ers have an incredibly high rating with excellent reviews from over 5,000 traders, rating them 4.8 stars, which is high rating. What's even more impressive is that 91% of reviewers have given them a 5-star rating. As the 5%ers are veterans in this industry, I'm very interested in getting an account with them. As you'll see, all the feedback from traders is positive, and you can check out their experience with this platform right here. You can see the 5%ers are based in Israel, and it's great to see that they have an excellent Trustpilot rating, a great indicator of their reliability as a prop firm. Now let's head back to their website and take a closer look at what they have to offer. One of the standout features of the 5%ers is the opportunity to trade with a private equity fund once you've qualified. This means you'll have the chance to trade with an impressive account size of up to $4 million. In terms of tradable assets, you'll have access to a range of markets, including Forex, metals, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. It's worth noting that the 5%ers aren't a financial institution themselves, and their platform doesn't promote or sell any financial products or services. Instead, they provide a unique opportunity for traders to access higher account sizes and potentially increase their trading capabilities. The 5%ers offer 3 distinct programs to cater to different trader needs and preferences: a 1-step program, hyper growth; a 2-step program, and high stakes bootcamp, a low-cost program. Each program has a different starting account size. Hyper growth starts with a $260 account, high stakes starts with a $39 account, and bootcamp starts with a $95 account. If you're interested in exploring their spreads, you can do so, as they have their own broker and a range of features to check out. To access more information, you'll need to create an account, which requires you to sign up with your email address, name, last name, country, and password. Once you've signed up, you'll gain access to the 5%ers hub, where you can purchase a challenge and start trading. Now, let's dive deeper into the hyper growth program, which is essentially an instant funding opportunity with a single stage to complete. To get started, you'll need to achieve a certain evaluation percentage, and once you've done so, you'll be able to trade with a live account and grow it up to $4 million with no pressure. The hyper growth program offers different entry levels, and for a one-time fee, you can purchase a challenge with a specific account size. For example, if you want to start with a $5,000 account, you'll need to pay a fee of $260. To pass the challenge, you'll need to achieve a minimum 10% profit target. And if you succeed, you'll be upgraded to a $10,000 account. To remain eligible, you'll need to maintain 2 key objectives: the evaluation target and the stop out level, which is set at 6%. Additionally, you'll need to keep an eye on your daily loss limit, which is capped at 3%. As long as you meet these requirements and are on track to passing the challenge, you'll be eligible to become funded with one of the account sizes offered by the 5%ers. So let's talk about the benefits of the hyper growth program. The profit split is up to 100%. And the best part is that there's no time limit. You'll also get to enjoy a leverage of 130, which is pretty attractive. And as if that's not enough, they'll also give you bonuses. If you want to learn more about the hyper growth or instant funding account, you can check out their website. Here are the key specifications. Once you're funded, you'll have the opportunity to double your account with every target you hit. You'll need to meet certain profit targets, maximum daily losses, and daily pauses to maintain in order to become a funded trader. Make sure you don't go the loss limit so you can keep your account active. And don't worry, holding trades over the weekend is allowed, and you can grow your account all the way up to $4 million. As I mentioned earlier, the 5%ers offer a leverage of 130, and they allow news trading except for bracket strategies. You can trade a variety of assets, including Forex, metals, indices, and crypto, and on their MT5 platform, which is also available on mobile and web. One of the benefits is that there's no minimum trading days or requirements to complete level 1, and you can even hold indices over the weekends, although keep in mind that swaps are higher. Once you complete level 1 and reach the profit targets, you can get your funded account with a maximum capital per trader of $40,000. Your first payout will be 14 days after receiving your funded account, and then every 2 weeks after that, with a 14-day payout cycle that resets every time you scale up to a new account. Traders have all the time they need to pass the challenge, but be aware that there's an inactivity rule you need to trade at least once every 30 days to keep your account active. If you don't trade within 30 days, your account will expire. To get a better understanding of their growth plan, I recommend checking their website, where you can see the initial balance, milestones, payouts, and bonuses they offer. Now, let's move on to the high stakes program, which is designed for confident traders who are willing to take on higher risks for greater rewards. This is a two-step evaluation program where you can trade with accounts ranging from $5,000 to $100,000. One of the benefits is that there's no maximum trading period, so you can take your time to pass the challenge without feeling pressured. However, you do need to achieve a minimum of 3 profitable trades per scaling and maintain a maximum daily loss of 5% and a maximum loss of 10%. The profit targets are 8% for phase 1 and 5% for phase 2. As a high stakes trader, you can scale your account with a 10% scaling. So here starts at $39 for a $5,000 account and goes up to $495 for a $100,000 account. You can check out the specifications on their website, which include a leverage of 1/100, the same inactivity rule, and the ability to trade Forex, metals, indices, and crypto. They also have a news rule which allows holding open trades over news but prohibits executing orders 2 minutes before and after high impact news. Keep in mind that they allow holding trades overnight and over the weekend, and you can scale your account all the way up to $500,000. Now, let's talk about the account limits and profit splits for the high stakes program. The maximum number of active accounts for a trader is one $5,000 account or one $20,000 account, and plan any other account. The profit split is 80% up to 100% in favor of the trader, and there's even a monthly salary for traders who reach certain milestones. The platform is still MT5, and the payout structure is the same, with the option to scale your account with a 10% growth target. And one of the benefits is that traders can request a payout at any point, regardless of whether they've reached the 10% growth target. As you can see, the scaling plan is pretty straightforward. You can start with a $5,000 account with a balanced target of 10% and a payout ratio of 80% to 20%. And as you reach higher account levels, you can even earn a monthly salary, which is a rare benefit in the prop trading industry. Overall, it's a very attractive offer for experienced traders. Now, let's take a look at the bootcamp program, which has a low entry cost and offers a challenging but rewarding experience. The benefits of bootcamp include the ability to scale your account with every 5% profit target and up to a 100% profit share. Plus, you'll have unlimited time to pass each stage, and the majority of the bootcamp stages are focused on trading performance. If you want to become a funded trader with a $20,000 account, you'll need to start with a $5,000 initial balance. After passing a 6% profit target, you'll move on to a $10,000 account and then to a $15,000 account with a 6% profit target at each stage. Once you're a funded trader, you'll receive a $20,000 account with a 5% profit target. The maximum loss is 4% and the daily loss limit is 3% with no limits on time and a profit share of up to 100%. And as a bonus, you'll receive $2 per half credit. If you want to buy a challenge, you can start with a $25,000 account and work your way up to a $100,000 bootcamp funded trader by reaching a 6% profit target at each stage. At the scaling plan for the bootcamp program, as you can see, traders who start with a $100,000 bootcamp account will receive a 75% to 25% payout ratio, and you can scale your account up to $2 million before it's increased. Just be aware of the maximum daily loss limits so you can keep your account. You'll also notice the payout ratio and the fact that if you start with a $100,000 or $250,000 account, you can trade up to $4 million. Now, let's go over the specifications of the bootcamp program. One important thing to note is that a stop loss is required for all positions, and the stop loss in any position must not exceed 2% of the account balance. Additionally, opening a position without a stop loss order or risking more than 2% of the account balance in a single position will be considered a risk violation. So make sure to take note of that. And as a warning, any account with 5 violations will be automatically terminated. Check all of these information here. News trading is allowed except for bracketing strategies. You're also allowed to hold open trades overnight and over weekends, but be aware of the swap fees when holding indices. They still have the same inactivity rule, and you should also be aware of the maximum number of active accounts per trader. In the bootcamp program, there's a 3% daily pause that applies to funded accounts, but traders can continue trading the very next day. The payout structure is still the same, with the first payout coming 14 days after receiving a funded account and every 2 weeks after that. So make sure to check all of this information carefully and understand the terms before getting started. If you're interested in trying out the 5%ers, you can buy their challenges and try out their account types. If you're successful, you can even get funded by them. And that's it for our review of the 5%ers. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about this video by liking, sharing, and commenting your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more upcoming updates. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.